I am going to unbox new Samsung Galaxy A05S mobile phone. It can useful for watch social media, internet, films, and edit notes, and many more things can do with that. This is having a large 6.7-inch Full HD screen with the smooth 90 Hz refresh rate and a triple camera inside. Its main camera is 50 megapixel. Other one it can take beautiful photos, and it has 5000 milliampere battery life with 50-watt wired fast charging. Now I try to open the packet. The packet includes the USB-C type wire. It has two male ends, C type male ends. Yeah, we will check now what is inside in the box. Manual or catalog. Yeah, only manual is describe the SIM slots. There are two mobile SIM slots and one storage SIM slot, and also this wall socket power adapter, 10 to 25 volts power adapter we have to buy separate. That is USB PD type power adapter wall socket. Now I'm going to take it out phone. It's wrapped with the plastic cover, and inside the bottom of the box there's a pin. It can be used to the take out the SIM slot. Now I'm going to remove the plastic cover from the phone. Yes, its size of the length 16.8 and width 7.8 centimeter, deep 0.88 centimeter. In that 2004 pixels and 1080 megapixels having a screen, and middle camera is 50 megapixel, and one camera both sides in one camera 5 megapixel and 2 megapixel, in front camera 13 megapixel. Then right side there are two buttons, one for power on off, is same as fingerprint also, and other one volume up down, volume max and minimize the volume button. Fingerprint, the back side there isn't any like old fashioned camera. Now is a fingerprint can use on the side of the power on off button on this camera. That is it is a sense also, and left side the SIM slots available, and you can put it two SIM cards plus storage SIM card. Then I will take it out the pin and try to take out the SIM slot. Now I have to carefully put it in the pin inside the SIM slot, the hole, small tiny hole. And slowly put it, and have to press it little harder. Yes, it's the slot release from the mobile phone. Now I have took it out. Now we will place the SIM cards. First, storage SIM card, I will place it on the slot, and next I will put it a mobile telephone SIM card. In the SIM card there's a one end is there's a mole cut, angle cut. Then the SIM slot, it shows the silver color triangle. Both one of the slot you can use for this set it the SIM card. Other one you can keep empty, or if you have another SIM card you can place it. And now I'm going to put it back the same slot and press it. Now I'm going to switch on the phone with pressing a power button. Now it's Samsung Galaxy, come with logo. In it is operating system, it's below mentioned, it is Android operating system. Now I want to describe you it's come with one cable. I told you the cable is USB-C type cable. Is can connect to the power adapter or latest computer if the computer does having a C type USB port. I believe the Mac computers, they have C type USB female port. Yeah, this is the power adapter. It is Samsung power adapter, 25 watt PD adapter as described in the manual. I bought separately. It costs around like $20. I'm going to take it out, packing. Now I will show you the that is the female port is going to the USB male port, USB cable main port. Now it's connect to the wall socket in the power, and at the end I will connect to the mobile phone. Mobile phone having a female port, and I bought separately different longer cable in case I have to use, but this one is a different type. Is one end A type male connector, USB A type male connector, other end USB C type male connector. And also I bought separate another power adapter, it dual purpose. It has dual ports. Dual ports mean USB A type female A type port and USB female C type port also. I can connect this cable to phone also and charging the power, and this cable can use to the computer also. In this type of in this model of this Samsung Galaxy A05S mobile phone, actually without this cable, you cannot do any hard reset. You have to have this cable if you are doing the hard reset, otherwise you can't do it. That is the trick of this cable. And this mobile phone, it has more security than other mobile phone. Normal way you can delete or give in a hard reset if you forget the password. Without any cable you can do it, but this one need have this cable. This is a trick, but it doesn't mention in catalog or anywhere, but it is a kind of a security reason. They use this cable. If someone is stolen, they can't do hard reset without knowing or without watching this video. I will let you know I will let you know later how to do hard reset. That is the best thing you have to know. I would like to bring next video with more details, and you can subscribe my channel. I will describe how to do the hard reset and how to set up this new mobile phone. I will upload soon as possible the next videos, then you can watch them. Please subscribe my channel for the next videos. Thank you so much. Bye.